too high.
Yeah, so we're at a place here in York. We're replacing this beautiful door with a more beautiful door. Yeah, so obviously this is a little bigger door than normal, side lights and a transom. So we will be replacing it with a ProVia entry door with side lights and a transom as well. Great, got the old door out, got the new door dry fitted, we got some sealant at the bottom, reached out the new one. So right now we're just adjusting. Home stretch, fellas. We wrapped up this door install here in York. Everything went perfectly, went according to plan. We're super happy with how it turned out. The customers are very happy, which that's what matters. So yeah, we're done, ready to head out.